Remember when Pixel phones were smart, but not exactly strong? Amazing cameras, clean Android, genius AI features. But the moment you'd stepped into an elevator, a subway, or a rural area, your signal would just vanish. Poof, gone. Now, Google is back with the Pixel 11 Pro XL, and this time they're re-promising something bold. The best connectivity a Pixel has ever had. So, is this phone finally a connectivity beast? Or is it just more marketing hype? Let's break it down. Before we talk about the future, we have to look at the past. Pixel struggled with signal. That's not a rumor, it's a fact. We saw weak cellular reception in low-coverage areas, inconsistent 5G speeds, major battery drain on mobile data, and call drops where iPhones and Samsungs held strong. The main villain here, the Samsung Exynos-based modems Google was using. They weren't terrible, but they just weren't flagship level. And in this day and age, almost good isn't good enough. This is where things get spicy. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to use a next-gen modem, possibly a MediaTek or a custom in-house solution. Why does that matter? Because the modem decides how fast your 5G actually is, how stable your signal stays, and how much battery gets eaten up. The translation: your phone might finally work like a phone, everywhere. For Pixel fans, that's revolutionary. And connectivity isn't just about signal bars anymore. It's about how fast your phone thinks while it's connected. Enter the new Tensor G6 chip. Google's AI has always been smart, but with better connectivity, it unlocks its real potential. Think real-time AI calls with zero lag, and live language translation that feels instant. AI without a connection is just a brain in a jar. AI with a strong connection, that's a digital sixth sense. So let's stop talking specs and talk about real life. Imagine landing in a new city and your Pixel 11 Pro 40 instantly locks onto the local network. Or you're a content creator uploading 4K video without the connection dropping. This is where older Pixels failed. And this is where the Pixel 11 Pro XL is seeking redemption. So, is it a connectivity beast or just hype? My take is, it's a potential beast, pending proof. For the first time, Google is treating connectivity like a priority, not an afterthought. If this new modem delivers on even 80% of its promise, this will be the most complete Pixel ever made. The old Pixels were artists. The Pixel 11 Pro 40 wants to be a warrior. And honestly, it's about time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for the full review.